Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. So we are doing the book exercise of the chapter, and we are doing question number 8. Fifth question, the imaginary line. The imaginary line of Earth. The imaginary line of Earth is called dash. Option A, orbit. Option B, axis. Option C, rotation. And option D, shadow. So the imaginary line of the Earth is called, student, axis. Okay, this is known as axis. Orbit is the path around which the planet move around the sun. Rotation is one of the movement of the Earth. Earth spin on its axis, that is known as a rotation. Is it clear? So this is the right answer. Now we will start with the fill in the blanks of the chapter. Question number B, fill in the blanks. So first question is, there are dash planets. There are dash planets and their satellites. There are dash planets and their satellites in our solar system. So number of planets are 8. How many planets in the solar system, student? That is 8. Second, second is the dash of Earth causes day and night. So which movement of the Earth causes day and night? That is rotation. Third question, the dash of Earth causes seasons. So how the seasons are formed, student? Due to the revolution. Earth has two movement, rotation and revolution. So due to the revolution, of Earth causes the different seasons. Okay. Fourth one, the earth axis, the earth, the earth's axis is tilted, at an angle of 23.5 डिग्री. ठीक है, 23.5 degree. So the earth axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Because we measure angle in degree, so this is the unit of this. Okay. Fifth question. Dash discovered that the earth is round. Who discovered the shape of the earth is round? It was the great explorer Ferdinand Magellan. So Ferdinand, F-E-R-D-I-N-A-N-D, Ferdinand Magellan, M-A-G-E-L-L-A-N. So Ferdinand Magellan discovered that the earth is round. So we have completed question number B also. Now next is the match the following. So this is the solar system rotation and revolution. So this is a rotation, because earth rotate on its axis. So this is a rotation. So this is rotation. Question number C. Okay. And this position of the earth, this position is revolution. This position is, I am writing the right answer in front the pictures. And the third picture is, this is the picture of a sun and 1, 2, 3. So this is the picture of a solar system. This is the picture of a solar system. This is the earth is rotating on its axis. So rotation. Here this is the sun and earth take a round of the sun. This is a revolution. And here this is sun and all these are what? All these are planet moving around the sun. So this is the solar system. Okay. Now let's start question number D. Question number D. Give one word answer. So first one is the earth position, the earth's the earth's position, the earth position from the sun in the solar system. So what is the position of earth from the sun? That is third position. Which position? Third. Second question, the only planet to have life on it. The only planet to have life on it. So, what was the name of the planet? Earth is the only planet on which the life is possible. Third, the planet closest to the sun. The planet closest to the sun. So which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Is it clear? Now you can note down the fourth answer, fourth in the blanks. The planet that has rings around it. So what was the name of the planet? Saturn. Okay. The planet that has rings is known as Saturn. Fifth question. Fifth one word, the planet farthest from the sun. The planet farthest जो सबसे दूर है. The planet farthest from the sun. So what was the name of the planet? Neptune. Okay, Neptune is the planet which is furthest from the sun. Now we will start, student, question answer of the chapter. Question number E. Question number E. Question 1. What makes the solar system? So note down the answer. The sun, 8 planets and their satellites. It forms the solar system. The sun, the 8 planets 8 planets and their satellites along with some other heavenly bodies and material. Okay. Question 2. Why do we not feel the movement of the earth? Take a screenshot. Why do we not feel the movement of the earth? Because we are also moving with the earth. We not feel the movement. We do not feel the movement of the earth because we are moving along with earth. So how can it prove that the earth is round? How can question B, how can it be proved that the earth is round? Okay, so answer is the great explorer Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. Okay, the great explorer Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. Okay, photograph taken from space also show that the earth is round. This line if you want to mention you can write in this: photographs taken from space also show that the earth is round. ठीक है, now we have completed short answer. Now we will do long question answers of the chapter. Take a screenshot. What do you mean by revolution of the earth? What does it causes? Okay, so this is detailed answer. E. Now we will start question number F. Give detailed answers. What do you mean by revolution what do you mean by revolution of the earth? What does it cause? So student, the movement of the earth around the sun on its orbit is called it revolution. Now another thing, what does it cause? Due to the revolution of the earth, what happens? So revolution of earth around the sun causes different seasons. You know, we have different season, for example summer season, rainy season, autumn, spring, winter. So how these seasons are formed? These seasons are formed due to the revolution of the earth. It means the earth moves around the sun and earth take 1 year 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Is it clear? The movement of the earth the movement of the earth around the sun on its orbit is called revolution. Revolution of earth around the sun causes different seasons. Earth takes Earth takes 1 year, 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, see, the movement of the earth around the sun on its orbit is called the revolution, and revolution of earth around the sun causes different season. And now the next question arises, how much time is taken by the earth to take a one round of the sun? So the earth take 1 year 6 hours. That is the reason after every 4 year we have leap year. It means in leap year number of days become 366, and this extra day is added in the month of April. That is the reason after every 4 sorry, it is added in the month of February. So after every 4 years the February has 29 days. ये एक्स्ट्रा डे किस में ऐड होता है बेटा? फरवरी में ऐड होता है, अप्रैल में नहीं, सॉरी वो गलती से निकल गया मुंह से, फरवरी में ऐड होता है एक्स्ट्रा डे, ठीक है। इसीलिए आफ्टर एवरी 4 ईयर, जिसको हम लोग लीप ईयर बोलते हैं, 1 डे एक्स्ट्रा हो जाता है किसमें? फरवरी के मंथ में, और उसमें 29 डेज होते हैं फरवरी में। इज इट क्लियर? सो यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑल्सो। First question we have already completed. Why is the distance of earth from the sun so important? ठीक है, so what is the reason for that? The distance of the sun from the earth, the distance of earth from the sun is very important. Otherwise we are getting light from the sun. Okay, so distance is very important because all the अर्थ इज एट ए राइट डिस्टेंस। अर्थ क्या है कि सन से बिल्कुल राइट डिस्टेंस पे है, तभी लिविंग बींग्स क्या है? सरवाइव कर रहे हैं। अगर अर्थ क्लोज होती सन के तो सन की हीट से सारी चीजें तो जल जाती, बर्न हो जाती, लिविंग थिंग की लाइफ ही नहीं पॉसिबल होती, तो प्लेनेट अर्थ पे भी लाइफ नहीं होती। इसलिए जो अर्थ का जो डिस्टेंस है सन से वो बिल्कुल राइट है, ठीक है। अर्थ का जो डिस्टेंस है सन से दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बिकॉज ड्यू टू दिस ओनली द लाइफ इज पॉसिबल। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।